Welcome back guys. In this video lecture we will be talking about the Tata box. The term Tata box is mostly used in molecular biology in the process of DNA transcription to form the mRNA. And most of you are still very curious about the term. So let's discuss a bit more about this term today. The term Tata box represents a stretch of nucleotide sequence which is basically the T and the A, that means the thymine and the adenine, which is present as a sequence, okay, like TA, and are found in the promoter region of the DNA. And this promoter is basically a portion of the DNA which is responsible for promoting the DNA for DNA transcription to form mRNA by using RNA polymerase as the enzyme. And after this RNA polymerase first binds, then only it starts the transcription process. And this promoter also helps to find the start site. Okay, the start site is the site where the actual transcription starts, which is further downstream from the promoter. And basically this promoter is present between 25 to 30 nucleotide upstream from the actual start site of the transcription. In the promoter, the Tata box, which is an extremely conserved sequence, okay, these conserved sequence are not varied in the evolutionary history. It is always same, more or less the same, and it is same for all the organisms in the evolutionary history. So it is called as the consensus sequence, and it has a very important task for attaching the RNA polymerase to start the transcription process. The Tata box also has a very important protein attached to it, that is called the Tata binding protein or the TBP. This TBP can interact with the promoter region, which will bring the other factors like the transcription factors and all the other enzymes which are very much vital for the transcription process to initiate. And that will help unwinding the strands of the DNA by breaking the hydrogen bonds between the nitrogenous bases, and finally that will create a bubble like structure in the Tata box. As we know, in the Tata box it has a maximum of adenine and thymine bases, so we know that it helps the bonds to break quite easily, because in adenine and thymine there is only 2 hydrogen bonds present, while in guanine and cytosine there is 3 hydrogen bonds present. So adenine and thymine will be having these weaker bonds, okay. So if there is multiple AT rich sequence like in Tata box, so it becomes quite easy to separate the DNA strands with the help of this transcription factor and the other Tata binding proteins and enzymes. So from here we can understand that the Tata box plays a very significant role in starting the transcription process. So this is all about the Tata box. I hope you like the lecture. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends.